Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today I am going to teach you how to set up Shopify payments and accept money online. Be sure to stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Shopify app. First, download and open the Shopify application from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Go to Settings and select Payments. After opening the app, tap on the three-line menu at the bottom. Scroll down and tap Settings, then select Payments. Step 3. Connect your bank account. Scroll down and enter your bank account details where Shopify will deposit your payouts. Double-check the account number and tap Save. Step 4. Choose payment methods. Enable different payment methods like credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. Once done, tap Activate to start accepting payments online. That's all for today's video. Hope you have understood how to set up Shopify payments and accept money online. There is no easier way than this. If you still have any doubts, drop a comment, and I'll definitely reply or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button, press subscribe, and leave a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you for watching.